Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all those who are new and welcome back to everyone who's been joining me on this journey. So as you can see, I kind of changed the setup a little bit. I literally just swapped the camera around. Normally I'm facing this way and you see my vanity in the background, but I just turned things around so you see my desk in the background. Just switching it up. Feel free in the comments to tell me what you like more, or maybe you don't care about background. I don't know. So ladies, this video is just for my ladies. Today I'm going to share with you 10 things, 10 products that you need in your kit, in your routine for your VAG. 10 things that you probably are not using that you absolutely need. So if you want to see what those 10 things are, you just keep on watching. So let's start out with thing number 1, a specialized wash, okay? And not just any wash. Just because it's branded as a vagina wash, it may not be the best for you. Keep in mind, different things will throw off your pH balance. I'm not a doctor, but I'm a 31-year-old lady, and just life and experience, I kind of know. If you're still using Johnson & Johnson baby powder down there, please stop. If you're using perfumed soaps and washing on the inside, please stop, okay? Hear me today. So 2 washes that you need, a specialized VAG wash, and I'm going to share 2 with you today. The first one I'm going to share with you is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Tea Castile Soap. And it doesn't have to be the, this is the hemp tea tree. It doesn't have to be the tea tree. It does come in other scents. I would be careful though, maybe not the lavender, but they do have like an original. I like the tea tree. Me as an oily woman, you know, tea tree is definitely helpful. And just because we're oily, you know, we're not just always oily on our face. We can be oily all over our body. I really like this soap. Just use it obviously on the outside, but that's literally what I bought this soap for. Staying in the wash category, oh my gosh, the hype is real with this product. The Honey Pot Normal Foaming Wash, okay? Plant-based, and what I love that it says on here, made by humans with vaginas for humans with vaginas, because no person is going to tell you, okay, stuff that you need to know better than a person who can share, has a similarity, okay? So if I'm gonna buy a product geared to women, I love that it's made by women. So this is the Honey Pot Normal Foaming Wash, plant-based feminine care, and it has lavender, vinegar, and coconut, and I absolutely love this. You just pump it in your hands, okay? Wash yourself up. So good. Love it. They do have one that comes in sensitive, but this is the normal one. The next product that I'm going to share with you is exfoliant. So we're still in the shower realm, and I do want to share a couple exfoliants with you. I'm going to start with this one. This is actually a homemade one. It's super easy to make, okay? All I have in here is just your plain white sugar, oil of your choice. You can use olive oil. In this concoction, I used avocado oil in here. So your sugar, the oil of your choice. You could put some essential oils if you want. I think I added like a little bit of honey, a little bit of vitamin E, swirl it all together. You can even add a little bit of lemon juice and you are good to go. So you can make a scrub yourself. It's perfect to use before the shower, so wipe it on before and exfoliate dead skin. And you don't have to just use this on your vajayjay. You can use it all over your body. I really love this. And the next exfoliant that I want to share with you is the Slow It Body Wash. So this is categorized as a body wash, but it's an exfoliant. It has exfoliating beads in it. So I use this literally just on my vajayjay, and so wonderful. This really slows down time between waxes, and I'm going to talk about waxes in a little bit. This slows down time between waxes for sure, okay? I'm able to extend when I need another appointment just by using this. This does slow down hair growth. It exfoliates the area. It's beautiful. The next product that I'm going to share with you is a mask. We put masks on our face. Masks are perfectly fine for your body, and since it is such a sensitive area, I did make a mask versus buying one. It's something that sits on the skin for a long period of time in such a sensitive area. And this is a turmeric mask. Turmeric in general is great to help with dark spots. So that is something from you know, unfortunately years of shaving and ingrown hairs, dark spots can occur, especially with females who are prone to hyperpigmentation, and that's a lot of women of color. So a turmeric mask can definitely help ease the dark spots. So you can put this on a couple times a week. You let it dry, get in the shower, wash it off. In here I just have turmeric, of course, Besan powder. You don't have to use Besan powder. You can actually mix Greek yogurt in here instead. All three of those products are a bleaching agent, a natural bleaching agent. Your lemon juice, you can add some baking soda. Yeah, all natural bleaching agents, great to use, organic, homemade, not harmful for your skin. So definitely try that out. And the great thing, these little mason jars, you can get them at the Dollar Tree. I personally got mine from Target, and it's probably stuff you already have in your kitchen. One tip though, please keep in mind when you're making products, maybe don't make them in an abundance because it is natural ingredients, and since it's a wet area, mold can grow, so keep that in mind. The next thing I'm going to share with you is a steamer. So this is a little bit of an advanced trick. It's something that I'm newly put onto and I absolutely love it. This is actually my facial steamer, but I found you can just set it on a chair, stand right by that chair, and let the steam do its work on the surface of your vagina. I know there's a lot of steaming services that are popular where you sit and it steams the inside. I'm not really sold on that idea yet, but the outside, it's perfectly normal. It opens up pores. It's great to do before your mask. It's great to do before any other treatment that you may have to do. So you stand far enough back, about this far back, just let the steam do its thing, open up the pores. Trust me, your skin will feel so good afterwards. And all you put in here is water, so it's just hot steam. This is a great investment, and I use the term investment lightly because it's super cheap. I don't think I paid more than $30 on Amazon, and they sell all kinds of steamers. So tons of things that you can use. So yes, steamer. The next product that I'm going to share with you, okay, is Ingrown Therapy treatments. All right, I do not like to do extractions. I let my waxer do that. So this is something that can definitely help in the meantime if you have an ingrown hair or if you're prone to ingrown hairs. Unfortunately, that's the struggle that I was given. But however, I don't really have that problem so much anymore. Now it's just maybe one here or there because I'm definitely using these treatments, mainly this one here. But this one I actually got from the first waxer I went to, and it's called Pro Wax, Advanced Brazilian Wax Training and Products, Ingrown Hair Therapy. This one was through my waxer. Most waxers will definitely have products that you can buy and take home. This one's just from Target, I believe. 10 Skin Solution for ingrown hairs, razor bumps after shaving, and waxing. So 2 great products here. And they just come in a nice little rollie. You roll it on, you're good to go. The next product I'm going to share with you is Moisturize. Okay, if you're not moisturizing your private areas, you should be. Not on the inside. Again, we're focused just on the outside here. And I really love Shea Butter. Shea Butter is so healing. It's just filled with so much goodness. Definitely if you use a lotion, please don't use a lotion with fragrance. Sometimes I use an Aveeno, just the original sensitive skin Aveeno, but I do love a natural product. So the Shea Butter, just rub it in your hands to get it all nice and melty. Rub it in where you need to rub it in, and you are good to go, and you will be moisturized for a full 24 hours because this is such a thick and luxurious product. If you do not know where to get Shea Moisture, I shouldn't say it's surprising because not everyone knows where to go. You can go to any black hair store, I mean to keep it real, and you can get Shea Butter there, and it's not expensive at all. They probably sell it on Amazon too by now. I wouldn't be surprised. The next product I'm going to share with you is wipes. Feminine wipes. Feminine wipes, okay? If you're not using it, I cannot stress it enough. I have 2 brands here. I have the Always brand feminine wipes, okay? And I have the Honey Pot plant-based feminine care feminine wipes. And these ones are great because they come in little individual packets, so you don't have to carry the whole box versus this. You may have to take one out ahead of time or just carry the whole thing in with you. Feminine wipes are so great, okay? They help with refreshing. You can't always get to a shower, like, let's be real. They help with refreshing when you're on your period. please have one of these in your little case with your pads or your tampons or whatever you use. Have some of these. It just refreshes and it cleans you, and you'll feel so much better throughout the day. Not even just for your period, just day to day. I urge you to have these. These are obviously safe to use all over, in and out the vajayjay. Get you some if you don't have some. It's so cheap and it'll change your world. Well, going back to the moisture aspect, sometimes I like to mix a couple of drops of vitamin E oil and just, just couple in your hands, rub it together, and just pat it in to the skin of your vagina. And it provides skin moisture and a healthier appearance. So you can mix this in with your shea butter, use it by yourself, maybe even after a wax, maybe mix it with some aloe vera, something like that. And it just feels good. It's healthy for you. Vitamin E is great. Use vitamin E everywhere else, on your hair. Some people put it on their face, mix it in to make a lotion. It's great to use down there as well. And you can get this from any drugstore. The last product to share with you is, again, by the company The Honey Pot. And this is the Jasmine Refreshing Panty Spray. So you don't spray this directly on yourself, but you spray it on your underwear. You can do it throughout the day, the beginning of the day, and this just really helps with scent, refreshingness. Let's keep it real. You're wearing probably different layers. Ladies sweat, stuff happens, periods come. This is a wonderful refresher spray to get you through the day, and it smells so good, and it's natural, and it doesn't irritate at all. And I really, really love this here, and it's so small. You just toss it in your purse and you're good to go. One little bonus thing to share with you. Was this 10 products? Hold on. One last thing to share with you. Waxing. If you are not into waxing, I cannot urge you enough. The small amount of pain is worth it. Okay? It's something about just being hairless and groomed and clean. The waxer will remove your ingrown hairs. It's safer than shaving. You won't have razor bumps. You're not shaving anymore. You'll have less ingrown hairs because they're pulling the hair from the root. The hair grows back slower. You're able to see everything that's going on. It's just wonderful. So if you're not getting waxed, I would definitely urge you to find a great waxer. Sometimes it takes a while to find someone that you really love and trust. I'm so thankful for my waxer. Once you find one, trust me, you'll keep going to them forever and ever and ever. So find you someone great. They'll give you great products because they'll see what's going on down there. So they'll be able to suggest to you what you need, whether it be an ingrown treatment or an exfoliant to help with slow growth. They're there. I hate to compare them to a doctor, but kinda, to tell you what's going on and to give you remedy to fix it in the long run. Anyways, I hope this helped somebody out there. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have a product that you're using and that you love, feel free to share down below. We can all learn from each other. And I love you, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.